Welcome back to the channel, YouTubers. Got a little treat for you today. As my t-shirt suggests, I've got a Baikal Makarov CO2. Never had one before. Always wanted one for the collection, but they always seem to be too expensive or not a complete package. This one, as you can see, it's got the original box, manufactured in July 2005 in the good old USSR, Russia. And yeah, this one's in fantastic condition. So I've got the original packaging, you've got the booklet, and the frame number is in the book. There you go, frame number, and signed and checked by, who's that, Yuri? Who knows? But yeah, so July 2005. And the frame and the slide, they all match the same serial number, so it's original. Sometimes different pistols are put together with different parts, but this one, everything matches serial number wise. Came with the original BBs with the same date on it, and I love this waxed paper that they used to use on these old pistols. The idea was it would preserve it, prevent damp, let it still breathe, and be waterproof. But that's the original toolkit. Look at that. We'll pull through and a little tool there. So that's nice to see that in its original packaging. Without further ado, let's show you this bad boy. Alright, same waxed paper that it was wrapped in. And there she is. Look at that. Well, let's get that packaging out of the way. Yeah, so it's a Gen 4 2005. I think they went to Gen 6, but yeah, this is a Gen 4 2005, and it's the one I wanted. I actually wanted this one, but I didn't rush out and buy one. I just waited and waited, and I just, like most of my collection, if you wait long enough, things come to you, and this came to me at a really good price, and I didn't need to pay for it. I swapped it. I actually swapped it for another pistol I had, so it was meant to be. And as it says on there, Baikal branding, made in Russia, and it's real steel and plastic, a bit like Bakelite grip on it. Does lock back, so yeah, it's double and single action. It has got a heavy trigger, but like I say, it's more of a collector's item than a decent sort of target shooting. They're wildly inaccurate. It's got a rifle barrel on it, but shooting BBs for a rifle barrel, yeah, it's good for plinking, but I didn't buy it for shooting. I bought it for keeping. And you can actually strip this one down, so you can just move the trigger guard to one side, just like the original, and then you pull the slide back, tilt it, and slide it off. It's actually it's not a machined milled slide, it is cast, but it's been done very, very well. It's a very nice, yeah, very nice bluing on this steel, considering it is, you know, cast. Some of the very early Baikals actually used real firearm slides on it and frames. Rumour has it that they had a surplus stock of them in the factories, and CO2 BBs were taken off replica pistols, and someone had the bright idea, say, look, we've got all these spare parts sitting on the shelves, let's convert them to CO2 and sell them. So this is also it's a cast frame. It's a cast frame and a cast slide. The spring is very heavy, but pretty much you can't get much closer to the real steel than one of these bad boys. Alright, so slide it back on, put the trigger guard back in, and that's it, we're ready to rock and roll again. Magazine release, actually, whilst we're talking, I don't really like this little swivel that is actually the CO2 tensioner screw. You can actually change it out and just put a slotted screw in there, which then makes it sort of completely sort of level with the magazine, which is more authentic. So I am looking out for one of those to go in there. But releasing the magazine is, do it so you can see it. You just pull that and then slide it out. So yeah, your CO2 goes in there. I think it takes 16 or 17 BBs. The same mold, you just pull it back and you just drop them in there. But like I say, I do want to get rid of this swivel and just put a flat slotted screw in there to hide it. It'll look much better. Yeah, so that way around, and so there she is. Just thought I'd share that with you guys. Beautiful, very pleased with it. It's going to be a legacy. Going to hand this down to my grandkids. Not selling it. Wonderful. Oh, I did forget to mention, where is it? In my pocket. Yeah, I had this little pistol holster for a little snub nose, and it was a bit broken, so I've riveted it to stop it sort of coming apart. And this fits like an absolute glove in there. Whoop. Pop stud. There you go, look at that. Fits in there like an absolute glove. What a beauty.